What's up everybody and welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for clicking on the video, and I just wanted to say Happy New Year's because I didn't get to say it on my first video because I edited it back in 2019, but 2020 is here and thank you guys for being here. Man, look at this kitty. What? But yeah, I just wanted to remind you guys that if you guys didn't know, I'm doing two giveaways, one on YouTube and one on Instagram. So my YouTube one's going down at 2.5K, and we currently have about 130 subs till that happens. And the other one on Instagram is going down at 8K. So don't sleep on that. I'll be posting ways to enter those as we get closer. So stay tuned on YouTube because that one's coming really soon. Also, thank you guys so much for the support. If you guys are coming back because you're subscribed, really appreciate it. And thank you guys so much. Hope you guys are having a good one. Let's go hop to the video. What's up everybody and welcome back to Ubante Garage. Today we have a Genesis super sick wide body and we are going to be doing some fender plugs and a front splitter. It's gonna be a long day. It's gonna take me a long time, but we're gonna knock it out. Should be really dope. And yeah, let's go hop over to the build. All right, so as you guys can see, I've already kind of started on what I'm doing. I'm not going to be doing side skirt extensions all the way to the rear because the owner feels the rear is really wild and the front needs a little bit more aggressive touch to it, so that's why I came through. So I'm just going to be doing this, kind of going from back here, extending it over here so we have a base to mount the fender plug. We're going to be mounting the fender plug to over here and trying my best to make it as flush to the body as possible so that when you look from above it still looks completely smooth. So that is the idea. As for the front, we're going to be doing a pretty normal splitter. We're going to be going from here, lining it with the tires, coming out, complementing the front, kind of giving it that aggressive look that I go for in every single build. And this design right here is currently what I have for the fender plug. Me and him drew it out before he had to head out to work. It's going to look pretty sick. So that's basically what I got. Really want to complement the door line, the fender, and that should look really good. So here, just as a little mock-up, let me go put this tape down. This is what we're looking at. I think that looks sick. All right, this is a long process, so I'm gonna go ahead and throw you guys on the time lapse because I don't know how many times I go back and forth adjusting this video. Let's get it. All right, so I got one side done. As for the fender plug, I can't believe how good that looks. It's a little rounded, so this is a square piece, and I can't really shave the face because that'll jack up the ABS. It's a really nice, perfect finished face, so I don't want to sand that down. So as you can see, if you look above, it is quite flush, except for the little corners here. That doesn't bother me. What I wanted was it to be pretty flat right here. Feels smooth when you feel it, and I think I did that pretty well. The wheel arch, got it pretty circular, as you can see. I really dig that. I just need to clean off that silver so you don't see it. And then I'm gonna mount up the sides with this end piece that I made, and it should be good to go. Check that out. I think it's nice because it really complements the whole entire car. Once we have the front though, that'll really set off the entire car. But I'm not trying to bore you guys to death, so we're just gonna go ahead and hop to that side being done and jump to... All right, it's been about an hour since I picked up the phone. Alexa, off. Sorry. But what I did was mount on the little side skirt extension thing so that I could get on the front fender insert that belongs right here. So now I'm gonna go ahead and mount up the insert, which is right there, to this guy, and temp rivet it up. Make sure everything fits perfect. We got it all cut out. It's not cleaned yet, but that's it. That's the finished end piece. Just gotta go and do this and we'll be pretty set. Then I'm gonna turn you guys off for a little bit, focus on the other side, and then get on the splitter. It was going smooth in the beginning and then it started slowing down. So we'll see if we finish this today. Now I'm just gonna mark my holes. First one's the one that matters the most. Drill that one out real quick. Mount and continue down the line. Cool. Alright. This. Drill these holes. Alright, there we go. That looks pretty good. That looks really good. Wow, yeah, that looks quite nasty right there. Huh. Let's get to the other side. See you guys when we finish that. Whew. But damn, it's 4 o'clock and it's getting cold. I gotta throw my stuff on. Alright guys, so I got one side completely mounted and done for the fender plugs. So check it out. Look at that. So this car, oh wow, I just dropped all my hardware. Great, oh my Jesus. Anyways, this is the other side of the car. It is a red camo wrap. Looks super sick, but look at that. Try my best to get this curve to really complement the wheel well. Let me drop this down and show you guys what I mean. This car is also bagged, so I made it to just look natural as possible. Let me go throw you guys on this mount real quick. All right, now. So that is it. This side is done. I'm gonna go mount the other side. If you guys are wondering why I did different hardware, I didn't want one random silver nut here. I know all the hardware is silver, but black just looks really good to hide this, to make people wonder how this is mounted here. So it's just really smooth looking. And then down here we have the silver to match all the rest of his hardware that he has around the body. Really happy with the turnout. Looks nasty, check that out. Really dig it. Jeez, now the front end of this car looks absolutely insane. Damn. All right, I'm gonna go finish up the other side and then we're just gonna go hop to doing the front splitter. I need to design it, cut it, remove the bumper, mount it, but we'll see if that gets done today. That's kind of a process. And he gets off at 9, so I'm thinking I got about 4 more hours before he can drop through. So, yeah, that's it. Let's go hop to doing the front splitter. Hey, what's up, guys? So we need to actually put the project on pause because I thought I had a big enough panel. It is definitely long enough, but it wasn't wide enough. No, it's definitely wide enough, but it isn't long enough. I don't know. It's definitely long enough, but it wasn't wide enough for the Genesis because that car is a lot wider than I thought. So wide that it's wider than anything I've probably built something for. I normally get 74-inch wide splitter panels, but for the Genesis, I actually need about a 77 or a 78. Pretty insane, just for me to flush out the wheels to this wide body. But Normally, for a Genesis, you need like a 73. But that's if you want it flush to the sides of the bumper, which you don't want, because that's boring. Anyways, we'll go ahead and continue this project tomorrow.